Hey there, viewers. So you're finally out on a date with someone you've been asking out for weeks. Everything seems like it's going great. It's their favorite restaurant, you've ordered the best food and wine, but suddenly, something terrible happens. Your date starts to choke on their food. What do? Save them and become their hero. Or see someone else help while you sit there helpless. You will definitely get the bill, but not a second date. So if you want to take them out again, keep watching today's video, where we'll tell you about a simple technique you can use to help someone who's choking. It's called the Heimlich maneuver. Stay with us until the end to learn about it. The Heimlich maneuver is performed differently for adults and children older than 1 year. There's another way to do it for infants younger than a year. Apart from these, you can also perform it on yourself. Today, we'll tell you how to do all three. Let's talk about how to do it on adults and children older than a year. First, determine if there's any severe airway obstruction. Look for signs such as inability to speak, cough, or breathe adequately. Look for the hands clutching the throat, which is the universal distress signal of severe airway obstruction. Ask, are you choking? If the choking person nods yes and cannot speak, cough, or breathe adequately, that suggests a severe airway obstruction and the need for assistance. Now, on to the actual maneuver. Wrap your arms around the choking person's waist. Bend them slightly forward at their waist. Make a fist with one of your hands. Place the thumb side of your fist between the person's belly button and the lowest part of their ribs. Do not put your fist on the ribs. Put the other hand over your fist. Press your fist into the person's abdomen with a quick inward and upward thrust. Repeat the quick thrusts until the object comes out. If the person vomits, lay them on their side to prevent anything from totally blocking the airway. Lay the person on their back on the floor if they become unconscious. Then call 911 and start rescue breathing, or CPR. Wrap your arms under the armpits of an overweight or pregnant person. Place your fist on the center of the person's breastbone. Be sure your fist is not low on the breastbone or off to one side on the ribs. Place your other hand over your fist and do quick pushes. Do this until the object comes out or the person becomes unconscious. Now let's talk about how to do it for choking infants younger than a year. Hold the infant face down, with their head slightly lower than their feet. Support their jaw and head with your hand. Support his weight with your knee if you're sitting, and your forearm if you're standing. Give up to 5 blows on his upper back between the shoulder blades. Use the heel of your free hand to do this. If you see an object come out of the infant's mouth, stop the back blows. If that does not work, try this. Sandwich the infant between your arms and hands and turn them over onto their back. Support their head and neck with your hand. The infant's head should be held slightly lower than his feet. Give up to 5 chest thrusts with 2 fingers. Your fingers should be placed on the lower half of the breastbone. Be sure your fingers are not off to one side or at the bottom of their breastbone. If you see an object come out of their mouth, stop giving chest thrusts. Repeat all steps until the object comes out of the infant's mouth. If they become unconscious, call 911 and begin CPR. Finally, let us tell you how you can do it on yourself. Call 911. Set the phone down while you perform the Heimlich maneuver. Do not hang up the phone. Make a fist with one hand. Place the thumb side of the fist between your belly button and the lowest part of your ribs. Do not put your fist on your ribs. Put your other hand over your fist. Press your fist into your abdomen with a quick inward and upward push. Repeat the quick pushes until you're able to spit out the object. If you cannot get the object out, press your upper abdomen over a hard, flat surface. The back of a chair, side of a table, or porch railing may work. You may need to do many hard, fast pushes against the surface to clear your airway. While knowing how to do the Heimlich maneuver may make you a hero in your date's eyes, it's equally important for you to look good to make an impression. You can do that by knowing about the foods you must avoid if you want to lose weight, or learning about the foods you want to avoid if you want younger looking skin. These 2 videos will definitely help you look and feel better while also increasing your confidence. Have you ever been around someone who's choking? How was that person saved? Let us know in the comments section below.